All right, so now I'm home. This is actually the next day after the car show. I just didn't have any time to do it. But so this mount, the snap plate, has a little set screw there. So then you can't take it off unless you take that screw off. And it's one of those Torx security bits. So I'm gonna take that off right now. So you can see that I unscrewed the screw a little bit. And this thing has this handle here. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. So when you undo the set screw, you're able to push this little disc in, and then it unlocks those little oval, oblong, rectangular things there. That's what locks it onto your car. Watch. Oh, now see, now it's locked. They're magnetic, so they there they go. Supposedly there's magnets inside this thing, so then they lock into place and they don't move. But what I'm going to do today, right now, there's the zip ties that I used the other day. I'm going to add a couple of stainless steel zip ties as well, so then I don't have to worry about it. I mean, this thing may last perfectly fine the way it is, but I'm just going to add it. Why not? Okay, so I'm back inside, and what I did also from the time I last recorded the video, I tightened these two screws a little bit. They were very loose before. There is a little tiny bit of play here, look. That moves. This one, oh, this one has it as well. But what I was almost thinking that I may want to, oh, here's the stainless steel zip ties. They're basically made for holding up exhaust pipes underneath a car. So, because regular zip ties will melt, you know. So that's it. This is what they look like. And I was thinking that I'm gonna put a couple, because I have this here, this little piece here, this little angled piece, the piece that broke. Let me get the piece that broke. This thing is so thin where these screws are. One little hit on the license plate and it was like destroyed 90%. You know, I mean, how do you expect this thing to really hold? It's so thin. You know, I think that this little piece should be like thick, like this or something, you know? They should redesign this thing whatsoever, you know? This should just be screwed into a flat section of this and that's it, done. I don't know, you know, that's up to them. But what I'm thinking I might want to do, these things are very thin. I'm thinking I might want to put them behind the plate here, because this apparatus here, this mount, is screwed into this little triangular block. And if those screws ever give way, then I lose the plate. So what I want to do is, I think what I want to do is I want to put a stainless steel, yeah, maybe I might even be able to do that. I want to see if I could do this, watch. I'm going to pass this behind there and put the zip tie here, right behind those screws. It might work. It might be a little kludgy. We'll try it. We'll see what happens. The worst thing, I could just take it off. It would really help if I had a something to pull it tight. Let me try these things, the snips. These are the snips I'm going to snip the end, but you know what this really needs? These screws need like a couple washers on them, and then it would hold that thing down below. Because this can just I don't know, it doesn't really do anything because it's just going to pop up like this. I'm just going to try and cut it off. Let's see if it's possible. There we go. It takes 3 good tries in the same spot to cut it off. All right. I got like 90 of these things. These are the things I use to hold up my charging cable at the street sign. I have 2 of them wrapped through the top holes of the street sign and then wrapped up with electrical tape so then the edges don't cut my charging cable. Oh, that's another project I need to do because that thing's been wasting away and it doesn't look too nice anymore. All right, so I'm just gonna follow this point. I'm gonna put it here. Let's see. All right, I'm through. So if you guys just got here, well, if you're still here, thank you very much, because I'm sure this is boring as hell. Oh, what a pain in the ass. Okay, let's see if I can pass it through. There it is. Here he comes. So what happened was, my video that has 600,000 views, hopefully has 3 million by now, by the time you see this video. My neighbor backed up into my car, and I think he broke 90% of this. And then over the following 3 weeks, from just driving and this thing moving in the air, probably finished to break it off. And I went to go wash the car, and I sprayed it with some cleaner and wiped it off, and it just fell right off. And I was at a car show when I was doing that. So I'm super paranoid about driving around without a plate. And so I came up with this fix in part 1 of this video. You should be able to find it in my videos. I posted it around April 20th or something like that. All right, so let's see. I think I did this backwards, though. Of course, right? Time for another one. All right. So this is the correct way. And so in my car, I didn't have these stainless steel zip ties. They were actually here on my kitchen counter. And I bought them primarily to for my charging cable. That's why they were in the house. But I just want to add this as an extra step of security, you know, because these are really tough to break off compared to the plastic ones, the regular zip ties. And that's it. Can I get it a little bit tighter? I might be able to. We'll try it with this. Yeah, not bad. They're not easy to cut off. There we go. So I got a stainless steel zip tie in there as well. It's not super tight. It would be nice to get it a little bit tighter, but it's very difficult to do. I'm sure if I had a couple pliers, I could do it. There it is. I think if it gets hit again and actually breaks off, that one will keep it on, and I won't actually lose the plate, which will be excellent. I don't want to lose the plate. All right, I think that's about it. Maybe I'll put another one on. I'm here. Maybe I'll put it in this direction. I don't know if that's a mistake or not. Yeah, had it pretty tight, that one. Pulled it. Ah, nice. One shot. All right, cool. That's about all I'm going to do. So it has 2 stainless steel and 2 regular. Right there. Crazy, right? That's it. That's not going to come off. I don't know. I guess this could still break there. I can make it really ugly. Put another one through and behind there. That would be really ugly. Good thing the license plate hides all this mess. Let's try it. Why the hell not? That may be a little bit too much. What do you guys think? I'm sure you guys are all gone. Let's see if I can pull it taut. Ouch! Got myself. Well, if somebody plays with this thing with their fingers in here, they're gonna get it all cut up. Don't play with that thing. Oh my God, that thing's a mess now. It looks like a total mess job. Oh my God, it looks so bad. Oh well, I didn't want to leave it. All right, cool. Have a good one, guys. Please click like and subscribe and tell me how bad a job I did. But maybe I'll put another clip at the end of this video with this thing on the car to see whether or not it's even visible. Maybe I'll bend these things down. These things are crazy. I don't want them scratching up the paint of my car, right? They might do that. Oh, there we go. Not bad, right? Bent them down. All right, cool. Talk to you guys later. Bye. All right, so I put it back on. And let's see if you can see all that stuff. And that's how much you can see. Can you see it from here? Nobody's gonna put their face inside here to go look at it. But there it is. I think it's fine.